All right, so today I'll be showing you how to draw the ellipse. I will show you how to draw the ellipse using the rectangular method or the rectangle method. There's an easy way. Basically, it can take up to 2 minutes or 4 minutes to complete this drawing. So I'll be drawing the ellipse using the rectangle method, and I'm using AutoCAD 2016. Same principle if you're using AutoCAD 2019, 2020, same principle. So I'll be using the default layer. Default layer normally labeled as 0, and I'm going to use that as my construction layer. So first I'll be constructing a rectangle. So I want the length of the rectangle to be, it's best to have on the auto mode. When you have it on, you will draw horizontal line or vertical line. So the length of my rectangle, I want it to be 200. So I type in 200, enter. Can always zoom in. Then going down, I want that to be 100, enter. By doing this, you are seeing broken line in green, meaning that the bottom line is the same length as the top line. So I select, and then I complete my rectangle. Now next, I will draw the minor axis and the major axis. So first, the major axis, the longest line in the center. Then I select enter on my keyboard, and I will select enter again to activate line to draw my minor axis. The major axis, I'm going to divide that into 12 equal parts. To divide into 12 equal parts, I go to the command and type in divide, enter. Then I select the line that I want to divide, and I type in the amount of parts that I want it to be divided into, which is 12, enter. Now if I select line and come and go close, you will see some round circle, green circle. These are my division. Now this side of the rectangle, I am also going to divide it into 12 equal parts. So I'll type in divide, di, enter, and select the line, type in 12, enter. Now next, what I'll do is to draw some lines from here at this point connected to each of the division. So each of the division, I will connect my lines. That's it. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Next, what I will do is to draw some line that will pass through the division that is on my major axis and connect to each of these lines as it go up. So the first one, make sure it connect at the division. Then I will turn off auto mode here because I want the line to be slant to the left. I go up. You will see the two lines blending, a green line and a white line. And then let me zoom up so you can have a better view. That's there. So when you see the X on that line, I can connect. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other lines, and it should go through the division. This will connect to the next line. So this is the hardest part of drawing the ellipse, because it involves a lot of lines. All right, so I miss a line here. This should extend to the next line. So let me correct that. This should go to this line. And this should be the last line here. Now next, I'll draw a curve. So to draw the curve, I prefer to use a different layer. I already create a layer called curve. So I need to select this layer. Now drawing the curve, it is best to use spline. If you type in at the command, if you type in SPL, you activate spline. Then I will connect at each point, starting from the center, this point, then I move downward as I connect to each of the points. Then I carry my curve downward and I select enter. Now all I need to do right now is to mirror this section of the ellipse so it falls below. I want these construction lines to be in my other part of the ellipse. So I need to highlight all of this. And then I need to highlight the lines. And I'm going to select mirror. When I bring the cursor here, I will see the word mirror. When I select, I connect at this point, move across, connect. It asks me if I want to erase the original object. So that is no. I select N, enter. Next, I will need to mirror half of the ellipse to the other side to get the complete ellipse. Highlight, then I select mirror, connect. Can you bring to the center or downward? I will just stop at the center, select. I don't want to erase the original object, so I select N for no, enter. So here I have my ellipse, and this is the easy way to draw the ellipse using AutoCAD. You don't have to draw all of these lines, you just draw a quarter of the ellipse and then a mirror to the bottom and then a mirror to the right to get your complete ellipse. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. I'll be sharing more drawing using AutoCAD. Thank you for watching.